Hey everyone! Welcome to the Joint Eternal YouTube channel, your go-to resource for everything related to joint health, mobility, and living a pain-free life. Whether you're an artist, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone looking to improve your overall well-being, maintaining healthy joints is key to enjoying the activities you love. Picture this. Imagine a life where joint pain doesn't hold you back from doing what you love. Whether it's painting, sketching, or following the latest hat in start trends, Joint Eternal is here to support your creative journey by enhancing joint flexibility and relieving discomfort. So, what is Joint Eternal? Joint Eternal is a revolutionary supplement designed to alleviate joint pain, improve flexibility, and support long-term joint health. Packed with natural, potent ingredients, it's your solution for maintaining strong, healthy joints so you can move easily and live pain-free. Don't just take my word for it. Check out these real-life testimonials from our happy users. Testimonial 1. Since I started taking Joint Eternal, I can finally paint for hours without any pain in my hands or wrists. It's been a game changer for my creative process. Testimonial 2. Joint Eternal helped me regain the mobility I thought I'd lost forever. Now I can run, hike, and even dance with my grandchildren without the constant aches. But Joint Eternal isn't just for artists. It's for anyone looking to protect their joints and enjoy a more active lifestyle. Whether you're into yoga, hiking, sports, or simply want to walk without pain, Joint Eternal has your back. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest in joint care, expert insights, and user testimonials. And if you're ready to take the next step toward living pain-free, check the link in the description and grab your bottle of Joint Eternal today. Let's start your journey to better joint health and a more vibrant life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.